Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into your Netflix application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Netflix application, first, make sure that you've downloaded the Netflix app on your preferred device. Once you do that, tap Open Netflix application from the app drawer. To log into your existing account, tap on the Sign In button at the bottom. Enter your email or your phone number in the first text box that is associated with your Netflix account. Once you are done typing in your correct email or phone number, head over to the password field. Type in your correct Netflix password in the text box. If you don't remember your password, tap on Recover Password button under Sign In. Once you are done typing in your credential, tap Sign In and you'll be able to log into your Netflix account. That is how you can easily log into Netflix application using your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.